Hey guys, this is my makeup for my recent Mono cosplay from Genshin Impact. I start off by wiping off all my makeup. I streamed earlier that day, so this is my second time doing the makeup for my oh my god, my words. This is my second time doing my makeup for the day, so I just prep my skin as I usually would for makeup. And then I do my foundation, concealer, things like that go before all the cool stuff, in my opinion at least. The color corrector was a lifesaver, so I went more in depth with it here because I looked really tired because midterms and such. So, it made that huge difference in the photos and videos in the end. Then I went on to doing powder and I did my blush and contour. It's kind of difficult because I have a longer face and Mona has a shorter face, so I contoured a lot around my jawline to try to make the illusion of that being shorter than it actually is. Then my personal favorite part, eye makeup. So I think I actually really liked my eye makeup for this one. I started with a really light brown underneath my eyebrow and the bottom of my eye, or the lower eyelid area is. And then with a bronze looking shade, I went over the eyelids. And then I also added some of that bronze right up against my lower line. And in the crease, I did a really vibrant blue. I realized while I was editing this actually that I did a lot less on one eye than on the other, but I don't think it was really noticeable in photos or videos. So then I took the deepest shade of blue, which is close to a navy blue, and I put it in the outer corners. And I spread that out for a few minutes because I wanted a lot of it, but I wanted it dense in one area. Then I added white in the inner corner. Remember, this is always to make my eyes look bigger. Or I just like the way it looks too. It looks very glowy. And I blended that in a bit too. And did it on both eyes, of course. Then I added black to my eyebrows because her hair is really dark, unlike mine. Mine's medium. So it was pretty simple. I just added the black in. And then for the hardest part, as always, eyeliner. The eyeliner went really good on the first try, unlike usual. And then that was set, as just lips and eyelashes left. I couldn't find the shade I actually wanted to use for lipstick, but I think this one worked out. And eyelashes. I actually had forgot to put on eyelashes, went to go start putting on the wig, then realized I'd forgotten my eyelashes, and I ran back and filmed this. So that's why the lighting's slightly different. Thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned Sundays and Wednesdays.